Hey, welcome back to Ryan M Outdoors. Hope everybody's having a great day. I'm having a great day because I'm away from work, got the day off, and I'm on the water back in the Intex Explorer blow-up kayak. So we're gonna do some fishing and some kayaking, and yeah, just have a great day on the water. It's there's like hardly any wind out here, which for fishing you kind of want some wind, but it's nice and calm, and yeah, it's just gonna be a relaxing day out here. Got my fishing poles in the back here in my Cabela's trailer, and got a cooler here with some water in it, and yeah, we're just gonna have a good time out here and see if we can't catch some fish. I'm not sure what kind of species are in here. I do know there's largemouth, but there might be some crappie. I've heard there's catfish in here. I have yet to catch anything out of this pond. I've only done it once, but we're gonna give it a go a second time here and see if we can't have some better success. Now I kind of know the layout of this body of water, and hopefully we'll get it done. Go ahead and join with me, and we'll try to have a nice day on the water. So let's go have some fun. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get out my new fish finder and see if we can't find some fish. If anything, we can at least know the depth that we're working at. We're in about 8 foot of water, as you can see there on the fish finder. We'll just kind of slowly kayak along here. Got a nice rocky jetty here that maybe some fish might be off of. Yeah, we might want to stop here. Check this out. There's quite a few fish right in here. Fish finder's going nuts. So the geese have decided to join me. Hi geese, how's it going? Honk honk. Hello. Oh, here comes some more. Here comes some more flying in. Come on geese, come on and join me fishing. We're gonna catch a bunch of fish. Boy, this fish finder that's going off is getting me all anxious. I'm gonna try a pink crappie jig. At the bottom of the line. I'm gonna try a baby shad at the top. See what we can't get to hit. We're right on off of a flat. It's about 2 feet back here with some grass and it drops off. We're right on a drop-off point here at about 10 foot, and then it goes out to about 14-15 foot where we were just at. So we're gonna give this a try. I got a bank on one side here, so I'm gonna cast it to that. I'm gonna do my crappie jigs down below here, see if we can get some crappie or bass to maybe bite right off this drop-off. And yeah, we're just gonna kind of work the shallow and the deep, see what we can't do. See if this is the money hole. All right, so I'm gonna try my catfish pole, and I got the famous cherry chicken breast that my dad uses, and boy does it catch catfish. You can check out his YouTube channel at Stan Martin Fishing, and if you want to watch some good catfishing videos, he's got them. But this is actually, he uses chicken, but I'm going to use some pheasant breast that I got hunting last year. And yeah, you just do cherry Kool-Aid on it. We got a Team Catfish hook, Team Catfish sinker slide with a 1 ounce sinker, and 3-way swivel, and a little bobber on it. And we're gonna get this on the bottom and see if we can't catch a cat. Try it all here, folks, at Ryan M Outdoors channel. I'll toss that bad boy out there and see if a cat will bite. There we go. Fish on. Got a bass. That's a good one too. Boy, this barely hit the water and took it. Oh yeah, this is a good one. All right, buddy. Hey, all right. I have to put this on our mystery tackle box. See how big he is. There it is. Got him on this creature bait. Green flake, red. And that's what we got him on. Alright, let's throw him on this mystery tackle box, see how big he is. He is 16-inch bass. So I got this mystery tackle box, and keeper requirements for the contest entry is 6-inch for panfish, 12-inch for trout, 14-inch for bass, 16-inch for walleye, and everything else 18 inches. So this is a 16-inch bass, and yeah, 14 inches is the minimum. So we are in the mystery tackle box contest. All right, we'll see you, buddy. Off you go. And he's off. Now on the board with 1 bass. Let's try to catch another one. Alright, switch to a black and blue wacky rig. Fishing around some structure here, so we're gonna see how this works. The geese are having a great day on the water, that's for sure. And I've only caught 1 largemouth bass. It's been slow going, and it's hot. great combination. All right, we're at spot number 3, 4, 5, I don't know. I think we're at spot 4. There's usually an inlet that comes in right here with fresh water. Fortunately, that's not turned on right now. But we are fishing at about, what are we at? 11 foot of water. It just goes out onto 15, 16 foot of water. And up here in this little cove, it kind of gets shallow, probably about 2 or 3 foot. So we're just kind of in between different depths and seeing if we can't catch something here. Got some crappie jigs on this pole out here, and then I'm fishing with the wacky style black and blue. May have to switch up here in a second because I'm really not getting any bites. But yeah, it's been pretty slow going. It being super calm doesn't help matters, but oh well, I'm having fun, I'm relaxing. This is relaxing to me. Gets me out of the office and on the water. Geese are having fun, and turtles are sunbathing back there. And yeah, just enjoying the sights and sounds of the outdoors. Drop a comment down below if you've been kayaking out this summer, and what kind of kayak you have or you prefer. And yeah, I've kayaked several times this year and it's been enjoyable, so I have a fun time doing it. How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. Kayaking can't get any better than that, right?
Yeah, well, picking up trash adventure.
Yeah, there you go. How are you guys?
Oh, you know, hanging in there.
Yeah?
Life jacket. Hoping to catch something.
Yeah?
I normally catch some pretty good walleye out right over there.
Really? I didn't realize there were walleye in here.
Oh yeah, there's walleye, pike.
Nice.
There's some good fish in this lake.
What about catfish?
Catfish? Oh yeah, right here. Right here about 10 feet, 20 feet that way, there's a big railroad tied set up in a square for a hatchery that they built.
Oh really?
Oh yeah, there's tons of catfish right here.
That's good to know. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll have to throw some chicken breast in there.
Oh yeah. Bet you catch them over there by them rocks. There's some big ones, and then you go down that way.
Yeah.
And right by that, the second big tree. Huge ones swimming around, but they're smart.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
They're pretty smart.
I'm sure they are. Well, good to know. Thanks for the tips.
Heck yeah.
There's one. There we go, another little largemouth. Got him on the green pumpkin creature bait. Here we go.
That's the only thing I'm missing.
Yeah.
GoPro.
Yeah, there you go.
I normally pull my phone out and take a picture for proof.
Yeah.
Yeah, I jumped in the water.
Water, your uncle threw you in the water.
All I'm missing is my kids.
There you go.
And a trolling motor.
Right? Kind of a pain in the butt with the motor, though.
Yeah, I bet. Well, thank you. I like your life jacket.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, that's gonna do it for Ryan M Outdoors. Caught a couple largemouth. Got a 16-incher, and then I don't know, probably about a 6-7 incher. But it was slow going. But it was a fun time on the water. Got to talk to a couple people, one person from the shore and another one in the boat, and just had a good time hanging out here and doing a little fishing, kayaking. So hopefully you enjoyed a little bit of the bass fishing and some kayaking, and thanks for tuning in. So got a big trip coming up here at the end of the month, and I'm excited to share that. I'm not going to tell you just what it is, but it's going to be something that I've always wanted to do, and the opportunity came about to do it. So I'm excited. It does involve going with my dad, so that'll be fun, and hopefully I'll be able to share the trip with you. So excited for that opportunity, and it'll be a good time. So anyway, we'll catch you on the next one, and thanks for watching, and thanks for all the support. We'll see you.